Youngblood. We got this guy we gotta go after today. This I don't have my MP3 player glasses on. He's J.E. Hogg. Right? J.E. Hogg?
Yeah, what about him?
Yeah.
Joshua Eric Hogan.
Anyway, this guy just screwed us, Youngblood, for $50,000. 50 G's, baby. What do you think of that, broad? Doesn't that piss you off, bro?
It's strip club money.
Anyway, we gotta go after this guy today.
Dog, you got a phone call?
Shut up, Beth!
Don't you talk to me like that?
I'll talk to you anyway I want when I'm on TV. Don't you know A&E's broadcasting?
Are you gonna take this phone call or not?
I have a badge. I don't have to answer a phone call right now, Beth. Go back in your laboratory or your office or whatever I pay you to do. We'll use my Native American skills to track this sumbitch down. We'll find this He lives in an apartment building. What does he think about that? We can't afford another one of those cell phones. Well, welcome to our first episode of Dog the Bounty Hunter. This is your host, Dog, and this here's my friend, Youngblood. You don't talk much, though. Well, anyway, today we got us a dangerous case. We have to go after this fella. I don't remember his name, but he's very dangerous. He's one for illegally cutting down trees in the Forest Service. We got our bear mace, we got our shotgun, got our machine gun shells in case we ever find a machine gun. But we heard that he's living in the woods. We're in the driveway now. We're going to sneak down there very quietly and slowly and see if we can surprise him and bring him to justice. Go, Christ. Get in! Let's go! All right, come on out of there. We got you surrounded. I see you. Come on out. Yeah. Come on out of there. Give you to the count to 3 before I fill that whole place with bear mace. 1, 2, 3. Come on out of there! Kick that door in! Kick it in! Open the door! Kick the door! Open the door! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Get over there. Should we cuff him in the front or back?
Well, I think we'll cuff him in the front. You want to be cuffed in the front, brah, or you want to be cuffed in the back?
Front.
You gonna behave yourself, brah?
No!
Too bad, you're going to jail. Cutting down all God's creation there, cutting them trees down. Give me, you want a cigarette to calm down?
All right. Where's that water at? Want some water?
Bottle of water. So, why do you feel you need to cut down innocent trees all the time?
Fine.
That's littering. We'll write you up for that, too. Don't you know you need to go with Christ? You gotta clean up your life and quit this foolishness. Cutting down all these trees, you can have a good life. What do your kids think of you?
Let me go.
No, we're taking you to jail. You're here, you got an outstanding warrant. We gotta take you in. Get in the truck. Get him in there.
Get in there.
Get in there. Well, stay tuned for future episodes of Dog the Bounty Hunter with your host, Dog, and Youngblood. Well, we got to take this one back on into the jail, and stay tuned for future episodes of Dog the Bounty Hunter. Go Christ, brah!